Hi, I'm Rachelle with Originally Worn, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update things around your home that are metal, like doorknobs, the hinges, the strike plates, or different parts of your bathroom fixtures like your towel holder. We're going to go with a farmhouse matte black for this video tutorial. I've started it around my house and it looks fabulous. Also, be sure to check out our blog on originallywornonline.com and subscribe to the YouTube channel. The first thing I'm going to do is take my screwdriver here, and the doorknobs should have two screws, one on each side, that's holding this part of it in there. You can see mine are actually kind of loose. And I'm going to take that out. You can use a drill for that too. Also, sometimes you need like a longer bit on there to really get in. You can push these aside and just screw them on out. Once you've gotten your screws out, you should be able to just take both sides and pull them apart. Simply like that. But then you'll also have this right here. So you can unscrew that. And then simply, you can either push this out like that, and you'll have this piece to paint. I also like to take the strike plate off of a doorknob and paint that, but I'll be painting the hinges too of this door, along with a whole bunch of other stuff around the house. Next, I'm going to scrub all the parts with some regular dish soap, a scrubber, and some hot water. Once anything I'm painting is good and dry, then I have kind of a station set up here. I have screws that these are pushed into the cardboard. You could use cardboard or styrofoam or plastic containers. I also have this kind of dangling over a plastic container, and I've stuck these through so you can actually hold on to them and get all the edges and parts while you paint them. I'm going to spray paint them first with this Rust-Oleum Universal Bonding Primer, which bonds to any surface. So this is really good to really do to hardware such as like your handles that are going to get a lot of use. So I'm going to put a coat of this all over everything right now. Once your primer is dry, then you're going to spray it all, and I'm using the Rust-Oleum Universal Paint and Primer in 1 in flat black. This will give you a really nice kind of non-shiny solid black look. You'll need to try to do big sweeping motions when you spray paint and not get too much buildup or get too close to one area. It'll cause drips. You will probably need to end up doing 2 coats just to really get everything covered well in all the angles. Just make sure you let every coat dry really well in between and to let it cure for a while before you reinstall it. After everything has dried, then I spray the Rust-Oleum clear durable top coat in dead flat over everything. This just gives it one more added layer of protection because they are doorknobs. The doorknob has dried and has cured a bit, and then I've reinstalled it back in this door. This door is painted in a Sherwin-Williams Amazing Gray, and trim was added to it. You can find this tutorial online, or if it's not there yet, it will be coming very soon, depending on when you're watching this video. Otherwise, find us on Facebook under Originally Worn, online for our blog, or to buy products at originallywornonline.com. And be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Happy painting!